We stick together, I'll tell you from the start, I can't be torn apart from my God. My God. Make me untrue to my God.
My God.
Nothing you can find can make me tell a lie to my God.
My God.
I gave my God my word of honor to be faithful, and I'm gonna, you better be believing I won't be deceiving to my God.
My God.
As a matter of opinion, I think he's house. My opinion is he's the cream of the crop. As a matter of faith, to be exact, he's my ideal. As a matter of fact, no muscle-bound man can take my hand from my God.
My God.
No handsome face can ever take the place of my God.
My God.
He may not be a movie star, but when it comes to being happy, we are. There's not a man today who could take me away from my God.
What you say?
Not a man today who could take me away from my God.